Hi everyone, today I want to show you the transactions page in MonsynApp and what you actually can do there and how you can find any of the transactions very quickly. So first you need to log into your account in the MonsynApp and go to the transactions page here. So here what you can do, you can add a new transaction, like any of the transactions, expense, transfer and income. And you can check all of the transactions that you had earlier, that you added. So here we can choose any date, like I need this month. And I can see all of the transactions I did this month. I can see the total income. I can see the total expense. And I can find any of the transactions for this period here as well. And here in the filter, I can filter the transactions. So I need to find all of the transactions that was done with my bank account USD, and I need the category travel because I need this kind of transactions and apply. And here we can quickly check all of these transactions. So I had only one transaction in this period for this month in my bank account USD for traveling category. So this is the transaction that I wanted to find. So this is how you can quickly check the transaction you need for any of your accounts or any of your categories that you need to find, or for the any period of time, like today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, this month, and the custom date also you can check. For example, we need from 25th of September till 15th of October. Here we can see the period of time, and I don't need only this. So this is all of the transactions for this period of time. If I want to, for example, I need all of the accounts, but I need only for, let's say I need salary, to check all of the salary. This is the salary that I added to accounts, to all accounts for this period of time. So this is how you can check all of the transactions. This is how you can find the transactions you need and what you actually can see and do on this page in the MonsynApp.